CCB of Bangalore City Police
ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್
was
ಮೊದಲು
developing some leads for last 1 month. And as a part of that exercise, last month we recovered around 204 kg of ganja. And during this exercise, it was revealed that one government official was participating in parties, and he was also, all these parties were high-end parties, and they were consuming liquor, or not only liquor but also certain drugs. So when this lead was developed, it was found that this particular person was working as clerk in Road Transport Office, RTO Jayanagar, and once this person was secured and addresses of his mobile phone was made, it was found that he has been active in party circle, and he was known for taking drugs, and he was also maintaining relationship with one film actress. And after that, when he was examined in detail, it was revealed that there were many people. He revealed names of many people, and some of them were organizing parties, some of them were helping them in getting drugs also. So based on that, a case has been taken up in Cottonpet Police Station of Bangalore City Police, and investigation has been taken up by CCB. Along with him, one more person by name Rahul has been secured. This person is a realtor. He has also, he's also architect, and he claims to be an interior designer also. He has some real estate interests in another country, neighboring country, and it is learned that he frequently travels between these two countries. And these two have been arrested. The matter is under investigation, and whatever they have disclosed, it will be taken up during the further investigation. She has been maintaining close contact with him. She has also participated in parties along with him, and they have a very close relationship. And there was certain other digital evidence which shows their proximity and their other connections. Certainly, many more people will come. They have to come and they have to participate in investigation. Their roles in the overall drug circulation as well as consumption will be examined.